Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what basically timeline is? This is timeline because time is online, getting me? Is showing the time here, getting me? So what basically timeline is, definitely we will see now. So the first is definitely lock. So what basically lock is? So for example, if I this is for this layer is for video and this layer is for audio. So let's suppose if I want to work on audio, if I want to work on video, and let's suppose if I don't want to select one video, so how can I do? Let's suppose if I just want to work on audio, and if I don't want to work, if I don't want to remove, if I don't want to work on video, so how can I lock? What I do, first I will select this layer, then I will come here and then I will click on this lock. So you can see that now this you can say this layer has been locked, and if I try to move this layer, so nothing is happening. If I take the help of selection tool, nothing is happening. If I take the help of any you can say any tool, so nothing is happening. Why? Because this layer has been locked. Getting me? So definitely when we say lock, so definitely neither it will move nor it will do anything. Getting me? Then what do we have next? Definitely, let's suppose if I can easily work, if I take the help of selection tool, so I can easily work on my I can easily work with you can say my audio, but nothing happening to my this video. Getting me? In order to unlock this, what I do, I will just simply click again on this lock, and now it is unlocked, and this has been unlocked. And now what I do, I will just simply click and drag, and as you can see that now I'm able to move this anywhere I want. So this is the work of lock. When it locks, so definitely it will not be moved. Then what do we have next? We have eye. So what basically eye is? Let's suppose if I have 2 or 3 layers, and let's suppose if I just want to hide this layer, so how can I hide? I don't want to delete this layer, I just want to hide this layer for a while. So definitely I can take the help of this eye. So if I click on this eye, and as you go see that now if I play this, so you may be able to hear my voice but not audio. You may be not able to see my audio. Why? Because I say no. So when I say if I click on this eye, so definitely I will not be able to see my video. So let's suppose if you just want to hide any layer for a while, or if you don't want to remove any layer or anything, so definitely you can take the help of this eye. Then what do we have next? We have definitely this V1 and definitely A1. Let's suppose if I remove this and if I take another video, and as you can see that now showing V1 and A1. V1 or V1, definitely V for video and A for audio. So what basically the work of this V1 and A1? Actually this way we are telling to Adobe Premiere Pro that whenever I insert any video, so keep the video layer here, and definitely keep the audio layer here. Now what I mean, see, for example, if I double click, so you can see that now I'm able to see my video in you can say source panel. Okay, source monitor, source panel. Getting me? So let's suppose if I crop, or let's say out and in. Okay, so let's suppose if I just want this part. Okay, and what I do, I will just simply click on insert. So as you can see that now I have video, definitely a video at this line, definitely V1, definitely video at this line, and audio at this layer. Getting me? So let's suppose if I have any video, and if I want to insert any video, so definitely I can tell to Adobe Premiere Pro that okay, so whatever I'm inserting, so keep the video here and keep the audio here of this insert this video. Okay, so if I click on insert, so as you can see that now the video is here and the audio is here. Getting me? So this is the work of this. And let's suppose if I want to keep my audio here or video here, I can also do. For example, just simply click, and definitely showing the video. Getting me? You can keep. And if you want the audio, keep here. If you want to keep audio here or anywhere, definitely you can also keep. Getting me? So it's very easy. Then what do we have next? We have this. So what is the work of this? For example, if I have this video, if I take this video, and if I zoom out, and if I take another video, zoom out, and if I take another video, okay, and if I take another video, so you can see that now I have videos, and I will zoom out, and what I do, I will take the help of my up and down arrow. Means up and down arrow. You may have seen the up and down arrow in your keyboard, means up for up, down, and left and right. Okay, so take the help of up and down key arrow key. Okay, so what I do, I will take the help of down arrow, and as you can see that now it's coming here, and if I again click, now it's coming here and coming here, getting me. So what it is doing actually, when you say down, so definitely it is coming to this point. If I say again, so then now it's coming this point, and when I say it's coming to this point, getting me. So what is the work of this? Let's suppose if I off this all, and if I you can say if I just on this video, okay, so you can see here now it's just thinking that it has just one layer. Okay, so for example, if I down arrow coming here, down arrow coming here, down arrow coming here, getting me. So definitely it is ignoring this, it is ignoring this video, it is ignoring this video. If I come here, as you can see that now it is ignoring this video. Why? Because I off this. So let's suppose in the place of this, now in this time if I say this layer, so as you can see that now this layer is on, and if I do down arrow, now it's come, as you can see now it is neglecting this layer. Now it's not coming to this part, now it's not coming this part, now it's not coming this part. What is doing? It is just thinking that it has just this layer. So if I down arrow, it's now coming here, and if I go, if I try to go more ahead, or so as you can see now I'm not going anywhere. You may be here, you may be hearing the voice of my keyboard, getting me. So definitely it is just ignoring this, getting me. So if we select any layer, so if we hit down arrow, definitely down arrow, definitely, so it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, getting me. So definitely if I this time if I say that just forget this layer and down arrow, as you can see now it's coming this, because this is checked blue, is showing the blue here, coming this and this coming, it's neglecting this layer, getting me. So this is the work of these options, getting me. Same with audio. Then what do we have next? We have definitely this option. What is the work of this option? For example, if I have if I already have any video, and okay, and if I already have this video, and definitely I will say this for video and this for audio, and when I will say that insert, so as you can see, and now it's coming here, but it is also, you know, because but when I say insert, so you can see that my older you can say video is going far. Okay, now it's not on same place, getting me. So definitely it's frustrating, na? It's frustrating. So what I want that whenever I insert, so nothing happened to my original layer or original definitely audio and video. So how can you do this? Just simply click on this toggle lock. Okay, toggle lock this and toggle lock for audio. And now at this time if I say insert, as you can see that nothing effect to my this video and this audio, getting me. So whenever you want something like this, so you can take the help of this toggle. And let's now if I say if it's now is on, and if I click on insert, as you can see that now it is coming on the new place. But what about my or you can say old layer? So definitely it's going far, getting me. So if you don't want to do like this, so definitely click on this toggle and click on this toggle, and if I this time if I say insert, now as you can see now my video and audio layer are in the same place, getting me. Then what do we have next? We have mute. So what basically mute is, actually the problem is that, let's suppose if I take another layer, so you can see that the problem is that when we have a video, so whatever is at the top it shows here, whatever is at the top shows here. For example, here we have in and here we in, so therefore it will show this layer, not this layer, getting me. But the problem with audio is that if we have audio, so it will play both audio. For example, just listen, and if I take another audio, let's suppose if I take this, click and drag here again. So as you can see that now I have two audios. So as you can see that now it's playing two audios, getting me. The audio of this layer and the audio of this layer as well, getting me. So let's suppose if you just want to play the audio of just this layer, so how can you do? You need to just simply click on this solo. So definitely it will just it will not play the audio of this layer. Okay, and if you want to mute means that it will be mute. Definitely it was mute. Okay, so definitely you will not be able to listen the audio. So if you want to mute, so mute means silent, so definitely you can also get the silent. And if you want to solo, so definitely just one layer audio will be played, get it. And the last, what do we have? We have snap. So what does snap is, and link selection and add mark. So let's suppose if I just want to add a mark here, just for my knowledge, so how can I add mark here? For example, if I want my mark here, so what I do, I will just simply click on add mark, and hit mark, and as you can see that now I have this mark. Okay, so if I again, as you can see now, as you can see this mark getting me, it will do nothing. It is just for you. It is just for you. Let's suppose if you want to do something here, so definitely it will remind you. Okay, Naveed, you, for example, let's suppose if I want to do something here, so definitely it is reminder for me that Naveed, you want to do something here. Okay, so definitely it is reminder for me, and definitely this is what mark is. Definitely add marker, definitely wherever this line is, and if I say add mark, so definitely it will add mark for us. Then what do we have next? We have link selection. As you know that whenever we click and drag our video, so definitely we get video and also audio. And when we take the help of selection tool, and when it's just simply click and drag, definitely for example video, so definitely audio is not coming, getting me. So this is a problem. So let's suppose if you want that whenever I drag audio or video, let's suppose if I just drag audio or video, so definitely I also want audio also coming this video, this layer. So how can you get? For example, if I click on link selection, and if I take the help of selection tool, and at this time I just select this layer and this video layer, and if I just simply click and drag, as you can see that this audio is also coming with this layer, getting me. So link selection means that both will be selected. Okay, and if in the place of the audio video, if I select this audio, and if I just simply click and drag this audio, so that as you can see the video is also coming, getting me. So this is the work of link selection. Last, what do we have? A very important snap. So let's suppose if I on the snap, and if I come closer, if let's suppose if I come closer to this, so you can see that now line is coming, showing me that this is the starting of this audio or video, and this is starting of this audio. So you can see that now it's giving me a line. It is very useful. Or if I come near to this snap, so the key, as you can see now snapping, now it's coming near, getting me. Now it's not going far. If let's suppose if I coming directly, it's touching to this line, getting me. So if snap is on, definitely it will align our work very easily. Okay, so let's suppose if I off this snap, and this time if I select this layer, and if I click and drag, as you can see now I'm going far, but nothing is happening. Coming, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. And if I click and drag this audio, so nothing is happening. It's not showing me that are they equal. Okay, no, nothing is happening. Why? Because snap is off. So if I on the snap, and at this time if I click and drag, as you can see, and now it's coming coming directly to this line. Okay, so this is the work of snap. So this was lecture on timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.